Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host, James. Today, we're going to dive in NemoVideo AI. This AI is something that I've been looking forward for a long time. You know, as a content creator, we have a problem with video editing, right? But with Nemo AI, video editing is no longer a problem. So in the next 8 minutes, I will show you how to use Nemo AI to make video editing. What are we waiting for? Let's go. In fact, making a viral video doesn't have to be very painful. Everybody, meet NemoVideo. NemoVideo is a tool that can help you to make a viral video. With this tool, you can easily create marketing videos, perfect hook, or just some clips that can go viral. It is a pro AI video editing agent, and with the abilities of the CDance 2.0, NemoVideo just can do everything. Alright, just let's dive in. In order to make a viral video, you need to make this video immersive and highlight. It is not easy. Tell me about it. And if you are a small business runner, a viral video is your dream because it can bring you the revenues that is countless. Alright, let me demonstrate how to use NemoVideo. First thing first, let's log in. You can click here, get started, and you can get started for free. Log in and choose Google account. And you got a place that you can type. Also, you can upload media or file and a link. And then when you click this button, you can choose a different aspect ratio from 16 to 9 to 9 to 16. This really depends on the platforms that you are going to upload. And also video style, you can choose talking head or product showcase. And for languages, you can choose English, Chinese, and more. And for the video length, you can choose 15 seconds to 30 seconds, even more. And when you click here, and once you upload assets, you can just simply tag them. This is quite cool. And beneath are some templates that you can actually use. When you click here, try this prompt, then you can find the prompts already here. But the prompt says character 1 and character 2, which we don't have now. But actually, you can click here and upload your portrait as a character 1. So it is quite easy to make a viral video. I think every videos on the list are quite cool, and I can watch it for days. Imagine this is showing in your list. Imagine when you're playing TikTok and you saw this video, you will watch it to the end, right? Okay, going back. So right now, let's upload our first assets. Let's click here, and the first asset I uploaded is my portrait. This is me, and now let's just type a random prompt. Okay, here we go. We have our prompt. Then we can click here. We can choose the aspect ratio because I think I will upload this to TikTok. So let's choose 9 to 16. And then we can choose a video style to auto and the language. Let's choose English. And everything was set. Let's just click this create video. We are bring to this agent page. There's agent of Nemo is helping us to build up this video. And this guy is working very hard. All right, now we have our request and let's click continue. Okay, then we generated our storyboard plan. FYI, you can directly talk to AI by click this button. Oh my god, now we are generating our first clip and the second one. Okay, now we just generated 2 clips. Let's click the first one. Before I notice that, we are in this After Effects like studio, and we will click this play button. Oh my god, I so love it. But how can I export this? Simply click here. And to my surprise, you even have the 2K selection. And you can click here and click export video. It is like all in one place, right? So usually I generated AI clips and make it by my own to combine all the clips into one huge video. But with NemoVideo, you don't need to do that because you got an AI agent pal that can help you. Okay, going back, let's make another one. As a YouTuber, I met this problem that really get me a head attack. That's really bothering me. That is video editing. You know, when you recording tutorial just like this, and sometimes you just forget where you are and you just like stop, and you need to remove all the stuff manually. This is really torturement. But NemoVideo AI can really help. How to do that? So first, let's click here, upload the file. Let's type a prompt. See, my prompt is make a super clean version, remove all the stops, add in captions. And after that, let's click create video. Wow, wait a minute, you got this. So now let's click play. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host, James. Today, we're going to dive in Nemo with something that I've been looking for. Oh my god, this is so cool. I cannot believe my eyes because usually I do it manually. But now you can just type a simple prompt. And you can select one of the clip and let's type this prompt. Okay, now we already added a B-roll and let's click play. Yeah, this is our B-roll. You can click here to preview it. Oh, and check it out. Who is this? This is a cursor of Nemo. And this already help us to insert the B-roll clip. So now when we click play, that's so dope, man. And when you click the export, you can hide the watermark. And when you click the export option, and you are able to choose without a watermark or with a watermark, and you are able to choose the size. And after that, just click the export. Isn't that fabulous? Now you don't need to handling all the problems with the video editing manually. Instead of that, you can enjoy the pure content creation. Because we already uploaded one image, so next time, directly tag your image. So next time, you can click here, choose from assets. And you can click here and click conform. And this time, since we already tried some crazy ideas, right? Me fighting a huge dragon. This time, I want to test something different. I just generated this pair of the earphone with my name on it. This is a totally fake one, totally AI. But what if people want to buy it? I can find a factory in my area and produce it for me as long as we have the orders. Okay, so maybe let's have the idea and start to make a video to see if the audiences want to buy it or not. I want to make a video that's quite convincing. Okay, we have our prompt built, and let's click here, create video. Oh wait, before I create this, let's make sure the aspect ratio and change to product showcase, change the language, and change the duration. All right, let's click here, create video. So our agents ask a few questions. For example, like what's the aspect ratio do you want? And you got a vertical and the landscape. I choose landscape. And how long should this video be? I choose this 15 seconds. And do you want background music? Yes. All right, we're building. Now we got ourselves a quite nice storyboard again. And our agents ask if this looks good to you. I say yes, please proceed. All right, we just generated our video. Oh my God, let's click here to play. Super light, incredible sound quality. This is so nice. Oh my God, I'm speechless. But I think the two background music a little bit like overlapping. So we can click here to mask the second one and let's click play better. You can click here to export this up to 2K. 2K is a little bit bigger size, so give a second. Everyone, with this tool, you don't need to hire models anymore. You don't need to find the agencies that can create the advertisement for you. You alone can make a professional level advertisement by this with totally made up products like this. Okay, long time to short. All right, long story to short. This NemoVideo is quite amazing. You should try it by yourself. Remember the domain NemoVideo.com. It is specially designed for YouTubers like us and also for small business runners and for influencers, for small companies. You can all get the benefit from it. All right, so much for today. I hope you liked today's content and don't forget to check the useful link in the description. Ladies and gentlemen, I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to James Shee's channel.